Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you with me at the dollarama kitchen aisle and their bath aisle. They're both awesome and I think it's underrated because they have a tons of new stuff. It's not sponsored, but I really love to share with you, especially in this inflation. They have a tons of item. You can get hundreds of new items. I always check this aisle even I don't need. This is the bag holder I saw first time, and then the shelves. They have a really nice kitchen shelves. I already have this one under my kitchen sink, and it's actually really sturdy. This is the first time I saw. It's a $5. I really like the look, and they have always a peel and stick drawer liner. You won't believe my first video was about how to put the drawer liner in your drawers, and it's about now 7 years now. They always have a really nice black and white shelves, and their brushes are so awesome. If you're looking for the brushes for your kitchen, I think they have a really nice price. $1.25, $2, and I always bought my gloves from here. The cleaning duster, I have this duster, so I usually clean my stairs and the fans or in the blinds. They always have a really nice dusting mop pad, so I bought this one because it's get dirty very fast and the price is really good. I have 2 dogs, so I used to use a lot of dry mops. So this is $1.25 for 20 mops. You can beat that price. And then this duster, really good price. So if you like these kind of video, please like, share and subscribe for more updates, because I make this video very constantly, and I really love to share the cleaning video. And now because it's the spring season, so soon I'm gonna share the garden items with you, because they have a tons of really nice items. But this one I just cover the cleaning aisle because I think it's really underrated, because they have a tons of brand names like Fabuloso, and Fabuloso is just a $4 regular size. It's pretty good. So basically full size products. And Pine-Sol is one of my favorite. I always go over there. And the steel wool, this is I think the best item. And in the bath item, they have the steamer and the bath bombs, mask ties, and the shower caps. So keep watching for more updates. I bought this one and I'm going to share in the next video how you use this shower steamer. And look at this cute hat bow and shower caps. They have actually tons of new items. I really love this aisle. Even I don't need something, I go over there and just spend my time. Thanks for watching. Bye.